Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore a simple but important privacy feature in the Brave Nightly browser on mobile. We will show you how to enable sending Do Not Track requests, which helps websites understand that you prefer not to be tracked. First, open the Brave Nightly browser on your mobile phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside Settings, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy to open the privacy-related options. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Send Do Not Track Requests. Then, tap on this option and turn it on to enable sending Do Not Track signals to websites. Finally, close the Settings menu and continue browsing, knowing that your preference to avoid tracking is now active. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.